Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to create and manage folders in the Viber app on your phone. Organizing your chats into folders makes it much easier to find conversations, keep things tidy. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Once the app is open, look at the bottom right corner and tap on More. Next, from the menu, select Manage Folders. This section allows you to see all your current folders and gives you the option to create new ones. Once you are in Manage Folders, click on Create a Folder. You will then be prompted to enter a name for your new folder. Type in the name you want. Finally, click on the Save button at the bottom right to create your folder. After the folder is created, you can add chats to it. Select any chat from your list that you want to include in the folder. Then click on the Save icon at the bottom right corner. Once you have added all the chats you want, go back to the Chats section. At the top of the screen, you will now see your new folder with all the selected chats organized inside. You can repeat this process anytime you want to create more folders or manage your chats. Thanks for watching.